So with all the great M&A activity that's going on right now, people who are very interested in doing a transaction are going to focus on maximizing value. How do you get the most for your firm as a result of a merger or a sale? And there are 6 factors that are going to help escalate the pricing that will ultimately become part of the transaction. The first and clearly most important factor is profitability. And it's not just the profitability that's being reported by the firm that's going to be acquired, it's the profitability after normalization. So if you're a firm that's looking to align upwards and your profitability is a function of many things, but it includes the fact that you and your partners work incredibly long hours, then there's going to be a normalization to allow for more staff, the staff that you don't have, so that there can be a more appropriate computation as if you were part of the acquirer's organization. The same thing will hold true as to whether or not there was any other type of overhead issues that need to be factored into. The higher the normalized profitability, the better the pricing will be for the firm looking to sell. The second thing that is extremely important is going to be the people that are going to be part of the process. And it's not a function of whether they're good citizens or not. It's really going to be a function of several things. One, does the firm looking to align have the ability to bring leaders to the table? And if not leaders today, future leaders? And how much effort would it take to groom those leaders and make them more effective as they move forward? The other component of people is going to be the number of people that exist and the talents that are there and the ability for those people to fit in and adapt to new and different processes. After people, it's going to be a very good fact if the firm looking to align brings niche expertise. Are there areas within the business world that the firm has an outstanding level of knowledge, whether it be in the way of state and local tax, whether it be in the way of real estate? Is it industry? Is it service line? Whatever that may be, niche and expertise is going to add to the pricing formula. After that, then you could focus on geography. There are certain parts of the country that are more interesting to an organization than others, and many of the acquirers have their own hit list, and they know exactly where they want to be. And if you are in that region or in that location, then your value is going to go up. But what oftentimes happens is that an acquirer knows they want to be in a region, but they don't know enough about the region. And so you have to share with them the kind of data to take them from their current interest to a level of excitement so that you will orient them as to why being in your region is that important and what are some of the demographics within your region that will be relevant to them as they move forward. The next item is going to be synergies. Do the firms operate in a similar way? Where is the compatibility factor going to come from the standpoint of growth? Do the firms have the ability to support one another? So, for example, if the firm that is looking to be acquired has a large real estate practice, does the firm that would be the acquirer or successor do things that could take that service level to another level? Do they do feasibility studies? Do they do cost segregation studies? Do they operate off of common platforms? The less lifting that's required to orient and to transition, the more value will be attached. And finally, it's client mix. Does the acquirer see the right kind of client mix within the clientele of the firm looking to be acquired? If that's the case, there's going to be another addition to bringing higher value to the end formula so that the selling firm stands the chance to see even more money. Now, how this is all structured is going to vary from situation to situation. But when you take these factors together, and if you can score well in all these factors, you're going to get an optimized value at the closing table. So your homework is to see where you stand with these 6 factors. Good luck.